Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a homemade version of Dunkin' Donuts. Exactly. First they make theirs with oatmeal. I'm not gonna use that. This is actually marshmallow creamer that I actually made. So I will be using this as in the place of the oatmeal. I'm actually gonna also use a little bit of this inside of my cold foam. You need lemonade. I will be using my Simply lemonade. For the cold foam, like I said, I'm going to be using a little bit of my sweet cream that I made. Also that Promised Land. If you watch my channel, you know I talked about this a couple of times and I actually use this in a recipe or two. Love it. In the sweet cream I have salt, so I might not need salt. With the sweet cream, I will be using some of my strawberries and cream. You see it's about done. As well as my strawberry jello. So that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Alright, first I'm gonna put a little bit of this marshmallow cream inside of my cup. So I'm gonna do 1.5 tablespoons. So 3 because this is a half. Alright, I'm gonna set this to the side real quick. Alright, with the leftover, I'm gonna make my cold foam. I still got some of the marshmallow. Put in like the strawberry creams, half teaspoon. A little bit of my Promised Land milk. Oh my gosh, it's good. It's already strawberries. Teaspoon. And since I want to drive, the point across. Drive, slide, walk, ride the bicycle. I just want to get my point across. Oh, this point across. I'm gonna use my jello, like 1 teaspoon. Not with that color. This might be the tablespoon, baby. Or more. Alright, take this and mix it. That's good. It tastes the strawberry, but you taste how that salt wake it up, but it's sweet. Oh, this is good. Okay, I put my ice in the cup, and like I said, I got this marshmallow creamer at the bottom. I'm gonna add in my lemonade. I'm gonna use my straw to like mix it up. Alright, now put in my cold foam. So pretty, oh my goodness. They pink, they pink. Girl, this is not the Barbie collection. I remember when I was young, I had the Barbie with the cassette tape and that they pink. Like shine star, just be who you are. You become a vampire, so make her. Na 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 na. Okay. Well, I'll say it's so pretty. First, I'm gonna get into it without the straw. It's good. What it kind of like give me with the lemonade, since the creamer with the lemonade, it's giving like, I think I made it on my channel a while ago, some years ago. I think it was Chick-fil-A, the frosted lemonade. That's kind of like what it's giving a little bit, but strawberry cream added to it. Oh, jeez, this is good. Now this is good and refreshing. Now the refreshers that I make on my channel, don't get me wrong, they're good, but I always say if you watch my channel, something is better than them. However, this is actually refreshing, and I think the reason why, it's not just juice, but I added that creamer to it. I love drinks with like creamer added to it. I think even when Taco Bell first like came out with it, I actually did on my channel too. It was like whipped mango or pineapple. I think it was mango or something. G-double-O-T, good. Just like I thought it would. Make it simple and delicioso. I rate it a 10. 10 on Zoe, baby. You're hopeless, say.